What if you could turn your imagination into reality with just a few clicks? From stunning images to dynamic videos and even interactive 3D models, Crea AI is here to revolutionize your creative workflow. Crea AI started as a simple image enhancement tool. Fast forward to today, and it's become a robust creative suite offering high-quality generation AI tools. Over time, it has integrated cutting-edge features that allow users to create professional visuals with ease. Let's dive into its incredible features and see how it's changing the game for creators everywhere. Generating AI images. Crea AI's image generation tools are powered by several advanced image-generating models, such as Flux, Ideogram, and Google Imagen model as well. Here's how it works. Simply type in a prompt like, "a futuristic cityscape at night." Select your preferred model, and watch as Crea generates multiple stunning variations in seconds. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for anyone looking to create high-quality visuals effortlessly. Real-time AI art generation. Now, imagine this. You input a text prompt or upload a rough sketch, and Crea AI transforms it into a masterpiece right before your eyes. That's the power of real-time generation. Whether you're creating landscapes, portraits, or product designs, this feature lets you experiment freely and refine your ideas on the spot. For example, input a text prompt like "a serene Japanese garden at sunset," and watch the image evolve in real time as you adjust lighting or composition. It's creativity at the speed of thought. You can tweak prompts or styles on the fly and see instant updates on the canvas. Just generate something in the image generating section and send it to real time and tweak it as you want. This feature is perfect for brainstorming, rapid prototyping, or refining ideas without wasting time. 2D to 3D modeling. Crea AI doesn't stop at 2D visuals. It takes things up a notch with its 2D to 3D object modeling tool. Upload any static image, like a product photo or an illustration, and watch as Crea converts it into an interactive 3D object model. This feature is perfect for creating lifelike product mock-ups, immersive social media content, or even assets for virtual reality projects. And if you're working with professional tools like Blender or Unity, no problem. You can download or export your 3D models seamlessly. Video generation. Crea AI makes video creation easier than ever with its powerful video generator models. Not only WAN 2.1, Hunyuan, and Pika, you can also access the premium plan models of Hailuo, Runway, and Kling AI super video generation models as well, all in one platform. You can start by adding a starting image, select a style, quality, and an aspect ratio, and just click Generate. Any type of a video clip you're looking for, it all happens in just a few clicks. Image enhancing. Got an image that needs a little extra polish? Crea AI's image enhancement tool has you covered. Upload your image and upscale it to higher resolutions, up to 4K, without losing quality. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's brilliant! And not only that, you can also transfer scenes with changing backgrounds as well. That's crazy good! This feature is perfect for breathing new life into old photos or optimizing low-resolution assets for modern use cases. Image editing. Need quick edits? Crea AI's image editing tools let you modify visuals effortlessly. Change colors on objects, cut out objects, or add something you want. Crea got you. It's simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for professionals. Video restyle. Finally, let's talk about Crea AI's Video Restyle feature, which takes existing videos and transforms them into entirely new styles. Upload any video file and let the AI know which style you're looking to transform the video into. This feature is perfect for creating eye-catching social media clips or experimenting with artistic storytelling techniques. Crea AI isn't just another tool. It's your creative partner that adapts to your imagination across dimensions. Whether you're crafting stunning visuals in real time, building interactive 3D models, or generating dynamic videos effortlessly, Crea AI empowers creators like never before. Ready to unlock your creative potential? Try out Crea AI today. And don't forget to subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more tips on revolutionary tools like this one. We'll see you in the next video.